doing another Manila adventure today, guys. So I will be doing a wine tour together with Wine Drop, and the first stop or meeting spot is here in Greenbelt 5. I got some chips and tour guide. Hello. All right, two French Manilas here joining the wine tour as well.
One French. Yeah. No one is in my party.
Madam! Hello!
Bonjour, bonjour! Magandang hapon.
Look at Leia today. She looks so fabulous.
Wow,
Look at that!
Feelings ako.
Akala ko jeepney tour.
Wala eh.
Social na jeep.
Kasi may wine, kunyari.
Fine, okay.
Ayan, cheers! Okay. You know why we look in the eyes when we cheer?
Because 7 years of bad.
Yeah. Bad luck, but...
Bad luck, bad luck.
Yun, PG-13. So, kamusta?
Good. I'm excited for this tour.
Yes, super.
Have you done it before?
No, first time.
So the yellow jeepney, we're all seated at one table. So at least we get to know each other already before we start the tour.
Fun fact.
Aujourd'hui, c'est passé, hein?
So I've been in the Philippines all my life, but I've never been in a jeepney in Manila. Like commute, like legit commute, ganyan. Kasi palagi car or Grab.
Social life.
Sorry po. But now I'm excited. Just to wander around.
It's all about having fun, drink, eat, and having fun as well. We're gonna taste your knowledge on wine. We're gonna ask you if it's red, white, or rosé. Easy question. We're gonna stay here for an hour, and then we're gonna move to France on the jeepney. It's gonna take us about 3 to 4 hours. Hope you're gonna get some water with you, and then from there we're gonna go to another country. We're gonna move to our second stop, which
Right here.
oh my god, this is legit. This is a real one.
Oh my gosh. There are a lot of people in here. This is the real thing. This is like the things.
You know what shaman means? Shaman.
This is Cass. We are going to be your Jeepney Wine Tour guide for today. Alright, I know it's a little hot. That's supposed to be a quick drive all the way to Society Lounge. The Society Lounge is along Guerdaneta. It's this French little spot lounge.
Oh wait, there's more. So they use the pool.
We're all good. All good. Thank you. Thank you.
Alright, we have to guess the smell and then bet on it. Exactly. So na buhay. Encharo, nagkapaman, oy pare, chika na dogo.
Go! Saan ang lyrics mo?
Inuman na tayo! Filipino! 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 This is the last stop, and I enjoy being a day experience, fun music, drinking, so that you can sleep early.
Sleep early and tomorrow will be like a normal day.
Yeah, it's nice, super recommended, and people are nice, whether expats, foreigners, Filipino, we super good
Good
mood.
vibes.
Yeah,
Yes.
good vibes.
Yeah, so guys, this is a once-a-year event. So just follow Wine Drop.
Yeah.
I'll leave the details below. So
You must go.
You must try it out. Once a year lang, GP tour.
And sulit.
Yeah.
Don't be intimidated with the foreigners or whatever. Everyone's welcome. Everyone can join.
And it's unlimited food and drinks. Like,
yes,
it's
that's
crazy.
the best. Kaya sulit.
Yes.
This is good.
Yes.
This is the last stop. Mamu.
Final destination for
Alright guys, that marks the end of the Wine Drop Jeepney Tour. As we mentioned, it happens once a year. So if you do want to find out details on how to join this, because tickets actually sell out really fast, just follow their Instagram account as they will promote it in their Instagram. And yeah, thank you guys for watching and reaching this far in the video. And if you're new to my channel, guys, don't forget to follow and subscribe if you want to find out more about travels around the Philippines and other parts of the world, and also hikes around Manila. And also sometimes I go out of Manila to hike as well. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next adventure. Bye for now.
Namalaman ko sa'yo ang ibig mo ay tunay. Hindi na nagalasin ang tunay na tunay. Pero ang iyong ipakakas parang catchphrase. Kung dahil mo nakakaspin, hiyain mo ko talagang nakakashin. Dirty, pretty, bye-bye, don't tell a lie. Bakit mo ako laging tinitira?